So in 2026, because of AI automation, there is a lot of chatter that whether you should do a degree and whether degrees and colleges are really worth it in 2026, where AI is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. So this video is going to break down that what kind of college you should pursue and should you pursue a college at all. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to start off on a note that there's a lot of handwavy approach by professors and coaching institute teachers that AI is not going to replace humans, just the nature of jobs is going to change. And I think it's a bit more nuanced than that, because India's IT sector and IT jobs might be the most affected industry by AI. I don't think we've achieved AGI, but it is really getting good at these back office software well documented tasks. And this is precisely the role lakhs of engineers graduating from India get a job for. Now, I'm not saying India's tech industry is dead, we'll adapt. And we're already seeing deep learning startups from India with billions of dollars in funding. But India has $200 billion of export for these IT roles, and this is getting disrupted very quickly, and colleges are often the slowest to change. Degrees and colleges will still continue to be valuable, but the hard skills you learn there to get a job might not be the most valuable thing about a college anymore, because it could be the case that the thing you learn might get automated in the next 4 years by the time you graduate. But the credibility of the degree and the network you build will still matter. And we are social beings, technical skills is just one component of why we go to college. So colleges will continue to exist, but certain degrees or certain outcomes might not be the selling point anymore. But one thing I want to flag is that I would want you to think 1,000 times before taking a loan for a college in this economy, no matter what kind of college it is and what placement statistics it's showing off, because the trend that continued 4 years ago might not be relevant now. So you need to be calculated about that risk, and that's it. Bye.